For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm SHIKHA and this is B-Town Style Under 3 and today we're breaking down a look of Kangana Ranaut. Kangana recently walked the ramp for an event and she was seen wearing a full-on tulle bouffant skirt that looked very princess-like, very red carpet vibes. It was layers and layers of tulle. She paired the black skirt, it was a high-waist skirt, she paired it with a white shirt that had push-up sleeves. The shirt also had a slashing neckline and what she wore on the inside was layers of oxidized jewelry to cover up the neckline to make it a bit more modest but sexy at the same time. And I think it's a great way to incorporate oxidized jewelry that is often associated with either Indian wear or fusion wear with something so Western. To finish the look, she was seen wearing it with a pair of black boots and a sleek hairdo and fresh makeup. Now the big trend that we pick up from here is that other than leather and suede, we're seeing a lot of tulle and elements of tulle come back into vogue as well. So I think it's one fabric that you must absolutely invest in, whether it's your Indian wear, be the ruffle on the border of your sari, or it could be a very princessy tulle skirt like the one that Kangana was wearing. I have a very similar tulle skirt over here to show you guys. So this over here, as you can see, is a cotton pleated skirt with a tulle overlay. So the pleats are on the tulle fabric over here. It also has another layer on the inside and a very subdued, nice floral printed embroidery on it that gives it a very feminine chic look. It also has a broad waistband over here. So I would best suggest to pair a skirt like this one or a similar skirt to that of what Kangana was wearing with something that can be tucked into it. So maybe a t-shirt or a shirt. Avoid wearing it with crop tops because then the purpose of this broad belt just goes away. This also really pulls the waist in together and ties the outfit together. So taking inspiration from Kangana, what you could wear something like this with is a white shirt like this. So just tuck this full sleeve white shirt into this tulle skirt. Also the embroidery on the skirt would match the embroidery patch on this white shirt and wear a pair of black boots to complete the look. If you're going for a more casual approach with your tulle skirt, the coolest way to do it is to go street chic and pair it with a fun graphic printed t-shirt like this one. So just take a cool fun t-shirt like this, so both of them balance each other out. Tuck this t-shirt into this skirt. I'd suggest that roll the sleeves up because that looks really cool as well. And pair it, you could also wear an oxidized necklace over the black t-shirt, it looks really nice. And then wear a pair of black boots under it so you look like a modern day princess in this outfit. Maybe it can be perfect for any theme party or Halloween parties if you have any. That's all from this episode of B-Town Style. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.